Hello everyone, my name is Robert, and so now I'm going to try to do my discussion board for this week using video. And so there was 3 different options that we could choose from. And again, I'm using my iPad where I've already wrote down the notes and everything out, which it would be easier just to post it. But anyway, I'm going to try to make the video. So I chose to do 2 because I felt like the first one, choice number 1, I wanted to try to go over and talk about it because I think it's an important aspects or important standards that should be in different educational environments. But because I don't work in a typical public school, and I'm also not working in a place where my native language is also the student's native language, is also the parent's native language, it's something that we have to consider when we're trying to make some type of education and things in the classroom. And so actually, this is kind of like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with, but like an academy where in Korea it's very famous. Kids go there's after school programs, there's camp programs, and there's Saturday programs. And so this is a Saturday program that I'm working at. And on Saturdays I teach grade 1 students. And I was going over the different standards for the students, and it's empowered, being an empowered learner, digital citizen, knowledge constructor, innovative designer, computational thinker, creative communicator, global collaborator. And the one that I liked the most was the global collaborator because obviously I'm in the international education field, and I want and I wish my students could talk and do things. Like the videos that they showed of what some classes and students doing, I thought were really amazing. And to think from a young age, the students are thinking globally. Because I remember as a kid, I remember when I first found out, when I had a Mexican friend that came to, I was in middle school, grade 8, I think. And the student entered in and I was like, what? There's another country? Of course I studied about this in history, there's many countries around the world, blah, 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 but I didn't really I was like, oh, it's just Missouri, it's just St. Louis, that's all there is. And so when I kind of hit me, and so I feel like these kids are from a young age, knowing and really taking everything in, and that's what I think is making our world very globalized. So I thought that was really when I think about my personal school and what we're doing, at first I felt the school isn't doing enough for putting technology in the classroom, because as I mentioned in other videos, we just have computer and projector buttons. Since my students are young, actually it's not something I was thinking about, but as I mentioned before, they have Kindles for the older students, and my kids actually are using some educational programs called Tumble Books and Raz Kids, and these are online resources for the students to be able to read and also take AR quizzes for over whatever they have read. And these are something I didn't think about before reading about these different standards, because one, the Saturday program I work with is they have a sister school in California, in Fairmont, and our students go there to this school in the winter and summertime. I believe they have the opportunity to go, and they start from grade 3 when they're able to go. So my kids are in 1st grade, so how I understand it is 1st grade, they're just getting used to, they're trying to speak English in the classroom. Obviously they don't speak any Korean, of course, but they're trying to speak English to their peers, become more open. In 2nd grade, when they're in there, they start to do overnight camps, get them ready, and then in 3rd grade is when they get the opportunity to go to California. And so these small things technology that helps them improve their English skills, and coming to class is improving, and at home they're able to study, and this will help them to become even better and better at English. And the kids are actually really good at speaking English compared to my other Saturday programs that I worked with them before. However, this helps them to become even better. And since this is a 100% immersion program, I think that those other technologies that they do use, at least for my students, is helpful for them to then be able to come even more like a global collaborator, and I was hoping like looking at like different pen pal websites and something where they can like message and write, but their writing level is really low. Their speaking level is high, but writing is a little difficult for them. And so I was looking at the standard 7A and the IST standards, and they talked about digital tools to connect with learners. And so this was specifically talking about like engaging with people abroad and like communicating, but since my kids aren't at that level yet, I took it as digital tools to help them to get to that level. And so I thought that was really good. And so that is my goal, and my hope for them is that they're able to get to a high enough level, and so then in the future they're able to go to California or travel abroad, and then they're in a situation with peers of the same age, and they're able to share their culture, talk, learn from them, and while they're studying. And because for me, when I got to study abroad, I felt super good, and I learned so much about myself the first time I did that, but I didn't get to do it until I was a sophomore in college, and so definitely it's something really good. So next, I want to talk about the third prompt, because technically I'm not working in a K-12 setting, and so I want to talk about my personal educational goals. So basically, I think most people have these similar like projector and computer in the class, and we use PPT, and we're making our PowerPoints and animations to help the students. So I use a lot of GIFs and a lot of pictures and the PPTs to try to help the students, because obviously I can't speak Korean to them. They're not allowed to speak Korean to me. We're not allowed to use any Korean in the classroom, and so I'm trying to teach them by just looking at the picture, by doing gestures, help them to understand it. And so I would love to incorporate more technology if we had the ability to do that into the classroom to help them to learn easily. So I think with the grammar, with our phonics classes, we don't learn grammar, we learn phonics. I'm looking over there at my books. We learn like in the language arts class and in the phonics class, it's really easy for them because they already are really good at speaking English, but speaking to me, not to their peers. And so when like last week on Saturday, I tried to, it was just 2 days ago, I tried to get the kid, like one kid said, "Teacher, I need an eraser." I was like, "Why don't you ask your friend? She has an eraser right there." And he was like, and he was like, "May I have an eraser, please?" And then got them to start talking with each other, and not just always just directing everything they have to say to me in English. And so I know they feel uncomfortable because they're only grade 1, so they're like, "Oh, why should I speak in English to them? They speak Korean. I want to speak Korean." So usually my class is quite quiet. And so some of the coordinators in this program, they're talking about trying to incorporate Kahoots and some free software to help make the class more fun. But the difficult thing is for Kahoots, my students don't have their cell phone because they're so young, and I can't like incorporate that to try to make the class more fun. And so they're just really learning very like using the whiteboard, using board markers, trying to get them up out of the feet and to help them to learn different things. So one of the things I want to refer about is math. And in the maths class, it was a little bit difficult for them because there's so many words in like the prompt. And so in our math class, we have to solve things, and some things they already know how to do it in Korean because they already learned this stuff in their public schools or in their online classes right now that they're doing for public school. And they already know how to do these things, but in English, it's really hard for them. And I wish there was a way, and I'm hoping to try, like with using what I have, what I can, like PowerPoint, I was thinking of how can I make like maybe, and with animations and boxes, like try to grab the specific parts and put a box around them so they can find those parts that are important and try to help them like draw a line to the parts that aren't important, because that's like the point about the math section is that there's a lot of random words and they have to figure out what they mean, like word problems. And I hope to do more research to see if there's more like free websites out there or free things that can help them and figure it out, because I spent like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes I was on the floor trying to show them on the whiteboard, and like this part What does this mean? Okay, this part, what does this mean? Okay, this is not important. Erase it or draw a line through it. And trying to help them to understand it, but it's very like older passion. And so there was some newer way, I think that would be really good. So before we finish, I also want to show our library, and it's outside, and so they have some like reading numbers after taking a test, and they can go out and get books from the library, and they read it at home, and then they go online to do an AR test over what they read. And so that is a good technology that they have, but it's not something like I'm facilitating, it's something like the office does. And so with the parents, they told them all in Korean, and they figured all of that out, like how to get it. And actually the kids that come here, this is kind of an extensive program, and so they're already kind of well-off students. So luckily in that sense, they don't have kind of difficulties with like computer or some technology in their home because their parents have the ability to pay for it. And so let's go outside. And I'll let you see our mini library that we have. Let's go. So, those are the books that I was looking at. I have like math, then they're on par, which is phonics, language arts, and then writing. And over there, and so here we have our library. And so you can see it has book levels, so it has it written there, where they can go and read. And there's some books that have no AR quiz there. But the ones in these baskets have an AR quiz where they're able to go online and then do the quiz. So, you can see, and some of my kids are like in between the 0.4 to 3. I made my high scale 3.5. She's really smart. So, okay. So, grade 1. Bye-bye.